Hey everybody, gotta try these zucchini french fries, made the Auntie Gina way. They're quick and easy. Follow along and you'll learn how to make them too. Go ahead. Okay everybody, to make that quick and easy side dish, you're gonna need a half a cup of plain breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, a sprinkling of garlic powder. I have 3 zucchini, little salt, little pepper. You can slice them into shoestrings yourself. I'm gonna use a mandolin. First step, I'm gonna show you how to put all of the breadcrumbs together. Okay, the breadcrumbs. Here's cornmeal. Like I said, a tablespoon and a little bit, all right? A tablespoon of Parmesan, garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, salt, and you mix this up. I don't like putting it on top of stuff one at a time. You got to mix it first in the bowl. That's the key. All right, now I'm going to slice up the zucchini. Okay, see? All nice little shoestrings. If you find 1 or 2 that are too long, break them in half. Okay, all you do is some good olive oil. Toss them. All right, not too much oil because you don't want them too wet because you're gonna fry them up, but you want the breadcrumbs to coat to something. Okay, now, next step. Okay, see all the breadcrumbs? It's all mixed nice together. Done. So all you do now, all right, is make sure they're coated. And now all I do is put them in a pot. I have corn oil, and I'm gonna fry them up as soon as we're ready to eat. So this way they're nice and crispy. Okay, now they're all coated. I'm heating up oil. Quick tip, grab some of the breadcrumbs, all right, hold on. I can't get my fingers into it. And drop it in. If it bubbles up, they're ready. Now, you fry them up in small batches. You don't throw it all in at once. All right, just enough. Okay, shake it a little bit and wait for them to get golden brown. I'm gonna fry them all up and I'll show you what to do after that. Okay, they're all fried. So quick tip, a little bit of salt on top. And I'm gonna tell you, your kids are gonna love vegetables if you make zucchini this way. See you later.